Ever sneezed just by looking at the sun? It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and it happens to about 1 in 3 people. But why? Bright light, like sunlight, triggers your optic nerve, which controls your eye's response to light. It causes your pupils to constrict when exposed to sudden brightness. But here's the science. In some people, the optic nerve and the trigeminal nerve, which controls your face and nose, are located closely in the brain. When the optic nerve responds to the bright light, it accidentally triggers the trigeminal nerve, which your brain interprets as irritation in your nose, causing a sneeze. Learned something? Subscribe!